Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are up again this week, hitting a new record high tomorrow. A liter of 87 gasoline will cost $2.06 more. $3.06 will be added to the price of 90 gasoline. Automotive diesel will sell for $1.12 more. $1.38 will be added to the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price of kerosene will increase by 76 cents. Propane will cost $2.21 more, while $3.06 will be added to the price of butane. Now, in reaction to the record high gas prices, President of the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association, JGRA, Diane Param, says while the increase is a reflection of the global markets, the government can be more creative in addressing the issue.
We believe that there's a discretionary component of the pricing mechanism that Petrojam uses, and that is what we need to look at. 20 months ago, when gas price prior to the pandemic was at negative, traded 2 or 3 days at negative, we did not get free products in Jamaica, clearly. And at the time, the minister said there was a $41 adjustment that was made to the pricing. We are expecting that in this period of high rising prices, we would also expect to see that reversal of that $41 in order to cushion the impact on the consumers.
Now, Ms. Param says the government must act swiftly as the inflationary effect of rising gas prices will negatively impact every sector. Now on to global oil prices. They settled higher today, registering this quarter as one of the best since the second quarter of 2020. Oil for delivery in August inched up 34 cents to settle at $74.62 a barrel. Now on to currency trading. The US dollar ended the day selling for $148.52. The Canadian dollar now costs $122.73. The pound is going for $207.02, while the euro closed the day at $178.48. Now on to stocks. The JSE index advanced by 6,000 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 32 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investment US dollar shares, Seprod, Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited, Siboney Group, and Margaritaville. On the losing side were CAC 2000, QWI Investments, Salada Foods, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.